Hey there! So, imagine you have two images of a schematic and you need to highlight the differences between them. The problem arises when you try to overlay the visual diff onto the second image using Imagemagick. The result isn't quite what you expected. Non-diff parts have a semi-transparent grayish color, which isn't ideal. Plus, the transparency is affecting the base image as well. It's a bit of a tricky problem to tackle, but fear not, there's a solution just around the corner. To address the issues with the semi-transparent grayish color in the diff image, you can use the lowlight color none option in Imagemagick. This setting specifically sets the color to be fully transparent, ensuring that only the actual differences will be highlighted in the diff image. Problem solved, right? Well, not quite yet. Now let's talk about how to overlay the images effectively. Your initial approach with the blend command isn't giving you the desired outcome. Instead, you can use the dissolve option in Imagemagick to overlay the diff image onto the second schematic. By adjusting the dissolve percentage, starting around 30% is a good bet. You can control the transparency and achieve a cleaner overlay that highlights the differences without affecting the base image. It's like magic. Well, Imagemagick. In a nutshell, by using the lowlight color none option to create a fully transparent diff image and then applying the overlay with dissolve, you can effectively highlight the differences between your schematics. So go ahead, give it a try and see the results for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy editing!